Hello guys, we are again starting on the daily time frame with our analysis on silver chart. What we can see over here from yesterday, we've had a very nice push to the upside, closing another bullish candle, which at the moment for me is kind of pointing that there might be a chance that we are going to keep on pushing to the upside, but still we don't have that clear of a structure here on the daily time frame because that can be just a push to the upside, closing back into that big range, and now we can see a move to the downside. So overall, the 4-hour time frame is showing us a little bit more information. We finally inverted that fair value gap here, which is now at the moment tested, and we've also have that fair value gap over here, the smaller one on the 4-hour time frame, which will be very nice to be respected if we want to keep on pushing to the upside. The hourly time frame at the moment, what we can see is that we've pushed to the downside and we've swept Asia session lows, which made an SMT with gold, taking out that low over here, and the silver keep on pushing to the downside. So at the moment we are using it only as a manipulation for gold, since we failed to push lower over there at the moment, and we have a position over there. Let's check out gold. What we can see here on the daily time frame is the same thing as on silver, but we've taken out that high, we close the candle above it, which gives us a little bit more signs of a bullish price action. We have the volume imbalance here, which was tested with that daily candle over here, and from here I'm expecting some kind of a reaction to the upside. The 4-hour time frame, like we can see, is now testing that order block here on the 4-hour chart, which I'm expecting a reaction from. And since we had an SMT with pound, I have a small position over here, since we have an SMT formed down here, and we also have that big order block to be respected from price. So we have the situation that we are looking for to enter in a bullish position, looking for a session highs for the day. 15-minute chart, let me explain why I entered. We have that drop to the downside. Here is the failed low, which silver took out the session lows and gold failed to do so. And from there, a very nice expansion to the upside, making a market structure shift with some volume into it. We have that fair value gap, we have that inverted fair value gap that also is an order book. So we have a very nice stack of PDRs here from where the price should be reacting to the upside. So we have an entry on the retest of the fair value gap, and at the moment we are in a drawdown. We're gonna see if that's going to catch our stop loss, or from here on we will find that kind of a reaction to the upside. Euro on the daily chart. What we can see from yesterday was a very solid reaction and closure into the bullishness. We are entering into that fair value gap, which extreme will be our target for today, and also that inverted fair value gap here, the start of it, will also be our entry point. Yesterday we didn't have the chance to take any trades since we didn't get a retrace back into the lows in New York session, but still we've managed to see clearly that the price wants to push to the upside. What you can see on the 4-hour time frame is also we are aligned over here with a push down into that fair value gap, which the moment tested, and from here on we are expecting a very nice bullish push to the upside. The hourly time frame, here we have a trade as well. I've already entered 2 trades for today. Since we failed to sweep Asia session lows over here and pound did sweep them, so we are using it as a manipulation. And here, as we can see, we have a very nice reaction on the hourly time frame. We are using that fair value gap, that order block here on the 1-hour time frame as a PD area for an entry, and same exact thing as on gold. Very nice push to the upside with some volume added to it, market structure shift with fair value gap, test of the fair value gap, and we are in the position aiming for those highs over here. That will be our trade for euro for today. And let's check pound. Same exact thing over here. Very nice bullish push, inverting that fair value gap, inverting that fair value gap. So we are currently looking at that extreme over here to be the next target 4-hour time frame, testing that fair value gap, waiting for a nice reaction from here with a bullish potential to reach that high. And the hourly time frame, as we can see, we took out the edge session lows with that candle over here, and from there we've made a nice push to the upside. Same exact structure on the 15 minute, but over here, like it look, we're gonna take the edge session lows again, and that will be the structure over here, but we don't look for it at the moment. We are only looking for euro to keep on pushing to the upside. That will be it for today, guys. Here we might get stopped out very soon, but we're gonna see how the market will give us that information. That will be it.